this wall here is supposed to have all red guitars on it. I do think that a wall of red guitars is just essential. Really? Don't you agree, Tom?
I don't think it matters if I agree or not. It seems to be the way we're going.
Welcome to Crimson Guitars, welcome to Dorset Guitar Museum, and I suppose Great Guitar Giveaway as well. Now, you know that we're setting up a guitar museum because, frankly, we all deserve a guitar museum in the UK. And through Great Guitar Giveaway, we're funding that. On top of that, we have fine individuals who have decided to loan and donate guitars to the cause. And that's what we're going to have a look at today. Due to this donation, we have had to create a little bit of extra space in the interstitial area. So the main room here now has all of the Great Guitar Giveaway guitars and the burgeoning collection, as well as a few Crimson things. And it's looking pretty awesome. I've got Arthur, who is the donator, and I've got Sam F here, who is the... what are you, Sam?
Curator. You're
That's the word.
Co-curator of the museum.
That's never enough.
Never enough. So these are the Great Guitar Giveaway guitars here. All of these, or most of these, are up on the giveaway site. Profits from that are going to helping us buy beautiful things like these, and putting the collection together is the fun bit. We've got everything from guitars built in the 1820s and 1830s all the way through to, well, there's Ovations, there's lawsuit guitars, there's Gibsons and Fenders and stuff, and this is only a few weeks in. Now, what we have here, Arthur, is a bunch of Hofners. You're a student, you met me at a guitar show, didn't you?
I'm just a collector.
You're a collector?
I'm just a collector, and I like to renovate and pass them on, let them be seen by people. You know, they're no good hanging on the wall or at home. So this is where they need to be for other people to appreciate like I do.
Well, we could not agree more. This is a Colorama 1.
Yeah. Body not done by me, I might add, but it came in like that and I just cleaned it up and left it as it is.
Hey Tom, how you doing?
Oh, it was too late, wasn't it?
We heard you coming down the corridor.
We need lights.
Outside of photographs of these, I haven't seen these guitars in the flesh, so at some point I might well just throw this camera at Sam so that I can get hands on. But
yeah.
The finishes, I might add, are all Crimson guitar oil.
So guitar oil over
After the clean up.
Yeah.
After I've cleaned them, yeah. That's what I put on and just buff it back.
That's not something I'd ever.
No, I do. All of these that are coming out now.
If we
are
look
being
at that,
done.
that's actually working. Well, it's working really well. And you've still got the beautiful lacquer checking, etc., but it's protected.
Yeah.
And nice and shiny.
Yeah,
so yeah, we've got a space.
in fact, let's get this giveaway guitar up somewhere else.
We've already run out of space. Can you believe it? There's a patch on the wall where we're waiting for some more hangers to arrive, and we'll sort that out. Now, what do we have in this one?
Colorama again, I think.
Another Colorama 2.
Again, this came in with the pinky looking, but it came in rusty, all rusty. Just the oil.
Now that you mention it, I can actually I can smell our product, which is
yeah, you can even smell
cool.
it. Yeah.
I do love the Coloramas. It's the surface mounted pickups.
It's a lot lighter
cool.
than like the Galaxies were really heavy.
Yeah, absolutely. So
But you see how the sheen
there's a
comes
Galaxy
up
over that.
with that oil.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Very lovely. This here is my Hofner President Thin, which is very rare and very beautiful. But, well, in the rest of these cases... Go on, Sam. Put it down!
No, it's just slight hints of regret.
Slight hints of regret. Who sold me that Hofner President
Yes,
thing?
this is true.
Yeah, was that you? Oh my gosh.
It's a 455. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, the surface won't pick up.
So
Yeah, I bought that and put that on. That was an addition, but this is finished in your oil again.
absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Is that the original scratch plate on there?
Everything's original. That's,
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's we've got a badge.
Oh, Carl Hofner.
Carl Hofner, there we go.
Yes.
So there's some issues with the neck on this one. We're going to have to. There's a neck
Yeah.
reset and some problems. It looks like, but yeah, these are incredibly cool.
Antique. They're antique guitars that are playable, that are achievable still to this day. They made so many of them, and with a little bit of work, you know, we can you can bring them back, and these can be found on Marketplace and eBay, etc. Yeah, relatively
Easily. The guitar that got away from me in my youth, much like this President Thinline has just got away from Sam here, was a Gibson, a 1930s Gibson Century, where the entire fretboard was essentially this mother of toilet seat stuff with ebony inlays. And yeah, sadly, I left that guitar. I left that guitar with my father in Zimbabwe because I didn't want to fly with it. Very sad. Oh, look at this case. Now this is a thing.
President.
Am I getting those on the floor? Oh, damn. Oh, that's the coolest thing I've ever seen. Oh, so we've got beer, we've got tobacco, whiskey. I mean, this is one of the coolest things I've seen. And of course, there's a very, very cool guitar inside. I do love how they've got the
Yeah, they're all go on
levers
there.
applied.
When this came to me, it had plywood full of holes
Oh,
and with wire hanging out with the jack on.
okay.
So I had to make these and put them on just to...
Again, it's part of the story of the guitar, isn't it?
Well, yeah, everyone I buy, they've all got the last person's mark on them. They've all done something to it, and that's what it's about, isn't it? All I'm doing is keep them alive. I don't take any of the... I just clean them. I leave the play mark, the work mark, I leave them on.
Are they called the compensator tailpieces?
Yes.
Yeah.
So simple.
Of course, it's called the compensator tailpiece. It's written on it.
Yeah.
I knew
Yeah, but
that.
I do that, so I don't want to put any holes in the body, you see, so that's just a trap on.
It's an elegant way of doing that, actually.
Yeah.
What's going on here? I've not seen that
I do
before.
like an overlay, a slide on collar.
Yeah, that is
That's
an
just to give it
interesting.
that character at the top, isn't it?
It's really beautiful.
Yeah.
It's really, really beautiful.
Yeah, isn't it?
Well, here we go. Without them, it would look like this one,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
which
yeah, it's boring.
Selma, is it?
Yeah, so Selma distributed them from the Europe market.
This was original, so I left it on. It's got Manchester Airport or something on it.
That's cool. Oh, hi, sweetheart.
And there's
So got another wire in there. Former owner. So this was the sort of more budget end of the market for them.
This was, yeah.
Still a nice bit of flame in the back.
So obviously that's a ply of veneers and bits and
they're all,
pieces.
I think they're all laminate, apart from the top end ones and solid spruce.
Danger, keep clear. Talking about veneered guitars. Oh, and the final one.
Yeah.
Oh, I know what this is.
Will you feel the weight of this?
Yes.
Will you feel the weight of this one?
Oh, sweetheart. Oh my gosh. So this is the sort of crocodile.
So,
Oh,
there we go.
there's far too many hands in shot
There
there.
are.
And here we are being interrupted by Sophia. Look at that. Oh yeah?
Teacut.
Tika cleaned that up, yeah?
Yeah. And your pinky stuff, polishing.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
So
it's just me.
vinyl. The word vinyl has escaped my lexicon. This is essentially a Galaxy. It's a Galaxy
176 is it?
176. I loved the curve on there.
Yeah.
Now this is their high-end, super cool things. That's missing the
Just
felt on there,
yeah.
which mutes the strings off for you.
I've just done one of my Galaxies and I didn't have the bridge and I couldn't get it in chrome, so I found one in gold. Cost me £180.
Damn.
I sent it off, got it stripped and re-chromed.
Wow.
Yeah.
So by the time it went out, it was like 350 quid before that went on. You'll be getting that in July.
Oh my god, that's insane.
Feel the weight of it.
Oh, black and
So
white.
heavy.
Well, yeah.
Playing that all night, you know. But
Oh, that's not that bad.
We're bringing in artists to demo everything on the Dorset Guitar Museum website. As it grows, we're going to have a whole membership area, and there's demos and photographs, and the whole point of what we're doing here is educational, as well as saving the guitars from just hanging on walls or living in safes and not being touched or experienced by people. We want people to come here and experience them and see what is actually up and why these are so awesome. Anyway, look, Arthur, thank you so very much. You are a gentleman and a
you're
scholar.
welcome, thank you.
And we'll let you
More
get
than
back to your course. Yeah, we are going to hang some guitars up and put this really heavy camera down. Anyway, click like, subscribe. See you soon. Goodbye. I don't think I've ever seen the name there. It's interesting, isn't it? But anyway, it's what it is. We've got some beautiful things, and one day you can come and visit them here.